What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And I'm gonna do something that I have not done in a very long time. Very long time on this channel, a mukbang. Well, okay, hold on. If this cuts out, I'm gonna actually end up putting this on my vlog. But if it stays, that's gonna be on my regular Extra Star channel. So, first things first is the realist. I'm the realist. I'm gonna put my heat on a little bit because I'm cold. Just a chili. So, today we will be eating the lovely Chick-fil-A, which I need to download the app because I don't know why. But let's see what we have in here, shall we? Napkins, those are important. And then I got some sweet and spicy sriracha sauce right there. Ready to eat that up. And then what is this? Honey roasted barbecue sauce. I guess that comes with my sandwich. And then we've got the classic Chick-fil-A sauce. Heck yeah, brothers. We also have some waffle fries, which I may have eaten on the way home. Oh no! They didn't fall, thank God. I love how people are watching me right now, but I don't care. And then we have a grilled club with Colby Jack, because I love all that stuff. Oh! Oh my God. There's tomato on it, but we will pick the tomato off, because tomato is disgusting. But this looks freaking, oh my lordy. I need a bite of this right now, guys. I need a bite right now. Oh, look at that, I can just put my little sandwich right in the little dashboard. I need a bite of this right now. I might pick the lettuce off, I don't know. I'm not a fan of lettuce, but... That's good. Never had this before, so... Really good. So let's try some of the, honey roasted barbecue sauce, which is kind of a weird name, but it looks good. Maybe if I can open it. It says tear here, but there's like literally no... Struggle is real. There we go. We got it. Let's do a little dab on here. Just kidding. I am gonna take the lettuce off though, because it kind of like makes the sandwich a little cold. So we'll just take the lettuce off, because I'm not a fan of lettuce anyway. And then there's another tomato on here, which also not a fan of tomatoes. Just who I am. Alright, now let's put some of this honey roasted barbecue bullcrap. Not bullcrap, because it's probably good. Oh yeah. It's actually really good. Not bad. That sauce is really good. I got two other sauces we'll try, but... So, if you didn't know, I moved to Florida, where I currently am at right now. I am in a place I can't tell you, Florida, because, you know, continuity. But, not continuity, I don't know what that means, but, let's do sweet and spicy sriracha, because this, I seen that sauce on the board and it looked fantastic. I was also going to get some chicken nuggets, but this came to $13, which was kind of crazy, so, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. We'll dip that with a fry, brother. Actually, we need to open it a little more. Okay, we have some napkins right there already. Actually, okay. Since this won't open that much, we'll have to do the fold on the crinkle cut fries. That's really good and really spicy. It's really good, actually. I want to dip my sandwich in here, though. There we go. Get a little dip. Oh, yeah. So good. No. I should have got more food for this, but I didn't want to. I think everybody on planet Earth knows what this tastes like. Chick-fil-A sauce is amazing. I haven't had it in a long time. It smells like honey mustard to me. So let's see if it tastes like honey mustard. Okay. It's weird. It's mayonnaise-y. It's weird. I don't know. So, now what I'm going to do, this is dangerous. Don't try this at home, kids. Actually, we'll do it with a fry, because it'll be a lot easier to do with a fry. So, we're going to dip it in the Chick-fil-A sauce. Now I got to maneuver everything around. Oh my gosh. Try not to spill anything. That scared me. We'll dip it in the sriracha. And just a dabble do ya on the mustard. So let's try this. That's interesting. But for the sandwich, I'm gonna stick with the mustard, because that did come with it and I didn't ask for it, so yeah. So like I said, I moved to Florida. I'm starting school next month. By the time you see this, it'll be next month, February. Oh no. Yeah. I confused myself for a minute. This stuff is really good. This honey roasted barbecue sauce, super good. And I like that they give you the sauce and not put it on there, because they would drown it. All restaurants do that. So good though. A little bit of cheese, if you please. Last bite of chicken sandwich. So good. So good. Throw that away. I also have a milkshake, so let's give that a try. Because I freaking love milkshakes. I hope I don't spill this. Maybe, let's see here. Got it. Got it. Oh yeah. So I think Chick-fil-A is one of the restaurants that adds the flavoring. Make sure this is still recording. Cool. I think Chick-fil-A is one of the restaurants that adds the flavoring in afterwards. Like, they don't have like chocolate ice cream, I don't think. I think it's just like chocolate pumps or something like that. But still good either way. Oh crap, I thought I spilled some Chick-fil-A sauce. So, ooh, look at how big that excuse me, that fries is as big as my head. So maybe I'll do some more of these mukbangs. I should do one inside my apartment. Maybe that'll be like next month or something. Next week. I don't know. Where I just use like, cause I got about I got a bunch of gift cards for Christmas, so maybe, just maybe, that's what I'll do. Is just do like a mukbang with these gift cards. Just an idea, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if it'll go through with it, but like I said, these fries and this Chick-fil-A sauce is super delicious. The sauce is kind of like congealed already, though. It's kind of weird. But still good. I still want to know what's on the Chick-fil-A sauce. But then again, I don't. It's a double-edged sword with that. There's a light that keeps going on and off. It's freaking me out, bro. So all that's gone. All the main food items are gone. Now we just have the shake. But I don't think I'm going to film me drinking the entire shake because that's going to take forever. Because I do have my keys. I have my wheelchair on the back of my thing. And I was going to like try to decide if I was going to go get it or not. But I was like, I don't want to have to go back into my house to get the keys. But I don't. Excuse me. Alright. Let's drink some of this milkshake. So good. So good. But so weird. It's very vanilla-y. I don't know. I want to see what song's playing. I'm turning on the rail I'm driving, that's right. Hitting easy street on the tires. That's a good song. So let's see if I can tie this with my tongue. I don't think I can. Nope, okay. I don't even know how to begin to try to do that. Let me see here. Let me think. No, Here, I'll do some editing. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see if I can tie this with my tongue. There you guys go. I did it. Yay me. Just kidding. That was a stupid joke. But yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I want to end this video, but I also don't want to end this video. It's very weird. I need to go check my mail. Actually, I already did. Actually, I need to do that on my phone. Let's check this out. Oh yeah, I was gonna see. Chick-fil-A sauce. Our classic dipping sauce with the notes of honey mustard and a smoky tang. I got a more mayonnaise-y flavor. So weird. And then I got, well, they have a lot of sauces too. Huh. Avocado lime ranch. That would probably be good, even though I don't like ranch or avocado. Chili lime vinaigrette. That'd probably be good as well. But, yeah. So, yeah. Let's drink a little more of this shake. Because I really don't know what to talk about. I'm starting school next month. So that should be fun. I don't remember the last time I posted a video on here, even though I do, because it was just the other day. It was that editing video, which, I don't know. I don't know. It's weird. The last video I did was the video editing video, and I don't know why I did that. It's just something that I've always wanted to do, and I finally did it, and I liked the way that it turned out. So I uploaded it. It was kind of stupid. It was kind of silly at the same time, but I really liked it. So yeah, I don't know. But I think now I'm gonna go check my mail. That's what I was doing. I was gonna check my mail, and I ended up talking to you guys about the Chipotle dressings, because I think my package is gonna get delayed. What are the Big Time? Is that Big Time Rush? I think that's Big Time Rush. I don't freaking remember. It just says in transit. I don't know. I don't know. It's really weird. But, yeah. So I think that's gonna do it for this video. What should I say? My drink is leaking all over the place. If there's something you guys want to see me do a mukbang on, I know I have gift cards for Dairy Queen, Chipotle, which that would kill me, I think. Chipotle, Chili's, which I think I'm going to keep the... I have two... Okay, discard Chili's. I'm going to keep that one for myself because I want to use that one a random time. I hear the ice cream truck. No, I don't. I have Burger King, Taco Bell, and I think that's it. I feel like there's a Papa John's one, but I don't know how much that one is, so yeah! Anyway, so let me you guys know what you want to see me do a mukbang on. I know the first mukbang didn't get that many views because it was a local place that my friend and I did, so yeah. But I am going to go maybe drive around for a few minutes. I don't know. Not really, because I don't know this area that well, and I don't want to get, like, murdered. But, yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. I don't know what that'll be, but I'll see you guys in another video. I'm not going to do peace and rock on. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.